Hello, BCSD third graders. Mrs. Whitman here with the Day 8 math task. Let's get started. Malcolm's family has 3 cats, 2 dogs, 2 rabbits, and 4 hamsters. Malcolm spends an equal amount of time each day playing with each animal. If he spends 55 minutes altogether, how much time did he spend with each animal? Okay, there's a lot of information in this problem. The first thing I'm going to do is reread, and I'm going to look for math language as I reread to help me kind of understand and get a grasp of what's going on here. Malcolm's family has 3 cats, 2 dogs, 2 rabbits, and 4 hamsters. Okay, let me think about that first sentence. The important information in that sentence is probably the numbers, right? The numbers of the different types of animals that he has. Let me keep going here. Malcolm spends an equal amount of time each day playing with each animal. Okay, that word equal amount, that usually tips me off to a couple different things. We could be dealing with multiplication or division here, okay? And he's spending an equal amount of time each day with each animal. Again, sometimes multiplication language, sometimes division language. If he spends 55 minutes altogether, how much time did he spend with each animal? Okay, here I've been given a total. I hear that he spends 55 minutes altogether. That's my total. And they're wanting us to find how much time he spends with each animal. Remember, he's got cats, he's got dogs, he's got rabbits, he's got hamsters. But this is a really good example of when you get a math question that has a lot of unnecessary information. This is a math problem where they are trying to distract you. They're trying to distract you with the types of animals that Malcolm has, but really what is most important is the numbers here, right? So let's figure out first how many animals Malcolm has in all. So I see 3 cats. He's got 2 dogs, so I'm going to add 2. He's got 2 rabbits, add 2 more. And he's got 4 hamsters. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. So he's got 11 animals. And he has 55 minutes each day that he gets to spend with these 11 animals. Again, it doesn't matter what type of animal that they are because he spends the same amount of time with each animal that he has. Okay, so to me, this is kind of sounding like a division problem. He has to equally share the amount of time that he has with each of his animals. So let me write this as a division sentence. 55 divided by 11 equals blank. That's what we don't know yet. Okay? So if you're comfortable with division and you know your math facts really well, you might already know the answer, but some of us, we may have to figure it out a different way in order to get this right. I think what I'm going to do is let's try repeated subtraction. That's a good division strategy to do if we're not sure of the math fact. So I'm going to start at 55 and get a different color going here. And I'm going to subtract 11 since we're dividing by 11, okay? So that gives me 44. And I'm going to keep subtracting by 11 until I get to 0. So 44 minus 11. Now I'm at 33. 33 minus 11 gives me 22. 22 minus 11 gives me 11, and 11 minus 11, oh, now I'm at 0. Now I need to count and see how many times I subtracted. Whoops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I subtracted 5 times. That means that my answer is 5. So let me read the question again and just double check to make sure that it makes sense that I got an answer of 5. If he spends 55 minutes altogether, how much time did he spend with each animal? 55 minutes divided by 11 animals equals 5 minutes with each animal. Yeah, that makes sense to me. Okay, that is the day 8 math task. I will see you later with day 9.